Hello everyone, JT9. So I do beard care product reviews on oils and balms, butters, shampoos, co-washes, tools. I'm sort of getting into this thing where I might actually have a beard comb fetish, maybe, I'm not sure. So yeah, I evaluate this stuff, you guys. I get it, I use it, test it, and we talk about it, good or bad. And yeah, we check out the products that we're all seeing out there. So that's exactly what I'm doing. If you like this content, stick around. I appreciate that. All right, guys, today what we got is I'm going to be looking at this oil by SavvyJack. And they have actually just released a series of oil called Backcountry. So the series is called Backcountry. They've got natural ingredients, 7 natural oils, and then your essential oils, you guys. And this is actually, and I've showed this on another video if you haven't seen it, but what they've actually give you along the way, it's showing all of the natural ingredients, and then on here your base of your series, and then like today we've got the Sweetwood, which is the man, I don't know if that's going to focus or not, but the juniper berry, and then the fennel seed, and then you got your other 7 natural oils that are in there. So yeah, you guys, this is cool. This is what we're looking for oil wise on natural ingredients, no chemicals, that type of thing. So they hit it there, which is actually really cool. So hey, let's just take a look at this real quick. Again, you guys, they never had oil before. They've got an awesome mustache wax product. I am dry today. I have not put that in yet today. Figured that it's a weekend, I might actually not go today, but yeah, I use their products daily. So when they come out with an oil, I'm like, oh man, I need to do that. So I got the whole series, I purchased it, and now I'm checking it out. And yeah, it's been in beard for about 4 days. All right, you guys, look at this. 2-ounce bottle, that's a big bottle. Glass, super dark. Glass brown bottle, which is cool. It totally goes with their label. The label goes all the way around. Very cool artwork. You can tell they've thought this out. It's nice. So yeah, presentation, education of the customer. I think that's awesome. So hey, how is the oil? Let's take a look. All right, you guys. So when I'm doing my testing, one of the things that I do is I do like to look at the color. And I do apologize on my lighting in this room today, but the color's nice. It's light. And then look at the graduated measurements actually on the vial. You probably can't see that. It's in red. It's hard to see. But it's actually got the measurements, the milliliter measurements on there. So I can go down like this and be like, okay, that's half a mil right there. I can put that in my hand. I know now that I didn't put in too much, or I didn't put in enough of my favorite oil, and you can just quickly measure that if you would like to do that. It's actually a tool that is that you can use, which is cool. I've never seen that. I like that. That's actually pretty neat, guys. All right, so the color, it's nice, it's light. Yeah, it looks good. All right, let's go with the scent. Okay, guys. And I can read you the natural ingredients if you like, but we're talking 7 natural oils, and then their base products. And the base on these, this is the Atlas cedar wood and the silver fir. And then the juniper berry and the sweet fennel is where the scent's coming from. You guys, we're talking all natural stuff here. And so they've done that right. So let's go with scent profile. the name again? Sweetwood. You guys have, oh man, I definitely get the, I think I get the juniper berry. I know it's weird that I can like pick that out, or maybe it's the fir. It's definitely cedar-like, you know, just the cedar trees. Oh man, it smells good. Then you get like a sweet and Sweetwood, and you guys, I think that will be coming from the fennel. Wow, it's nice. And again, all of these oils are not, this is not a cologne series. It's beard oil, benefit, it's liking in moisture, it's good for you stuff, and there's some naturals scents added in, and they're not real strong, they're subtle, but man, they're warm, they're nice. This is really good. This is the Sweetwood. Again, I've got the whole series. I tend to sort of going back to this one, although the citrus one is really cool too. We'll be talking about the other ones in the series along the way, but today we'll do this one. So yeah, I would say warm, sweet. You get a bit of that fennel in there, and you guys, what that is, I don't know if you do any cooking or things with spices, but the fennel is almost like a licoricey type of taste or scent. It's in, well, I won't say the kind of dishes it's in, but wow, that's good. So yeah, you guys, I like the smell. Sorry, I'm just keep going on. It's like, let me set that down. All right. So you guys, we got SavvyJack, again, beard oil series, all natural, for the money, great price, large container. Their customer service is top notch. Their shipping is crazy. I don't know how they do that. It's like 2.5 days and you're having beard mail. So yeah, you guys, it's cool. And I guess maybe I'm a little bit more, I don't know, excited with these guys because I've been buying their mustache wax, and we talk on the side. I talk on the side a little bit with the owner about, man, his craftsmanship on his wood combs. Whoa! If you haven't checked out his website, his wood combs are little masterpieces. That's what started my fetish, I think. So yeah, and we've talked back and forth about some different products and stuff. And when this appeared, man, I'm excited. So good for you guys, SavvyJack. Yes, it's going on my top shelf. I do recommend it. I think it's great, you guys. We'll look at these other scents in the profile later. Everybody have a great day. Be safe. Wash your hands.